I'm currently scared for our warfighter, our nation's missions, and the communications infrastructure that is critical to our modern life. I'm Matthew Ennis, Chief Product and Strategy Officer at RS21. We serve forward-thinking organizations seeking to advance predictive insights that enable critical equipment to work as needed. RS21's success lies in effectively applying predictive maintenance and diagnostics in satellite operations, thereby significantly reducing unexpected shutdowns and ensuring mission completion. The Department of Defense grapples with aging assets, natural events, and adversarial attacks that can put missions at risk. Through customer insights, RS21 understands these challenges and addresses maintenance concerns for vital equipment, from satellites to ground stations to even submarines. Inadequate equipment maintenance leads to equipment failures which threaten defense missions, jeopardizing warfighter safety, communications and intelligence, and mission-critical data, resulting in expensive repairs and replacements that happen at the wrong time. RS21 created Space, our predictive maintenance and diagnostic tool for satellites to automate data analysis and empower operators, engineers, and decision-makers to proactively mitigate risks tied to equipment failures and actually optimize asset performance. Colonel Roth of Space Force's Innovation Directorate of Space Systems Center discussed successes at the September 2023 AIMLess conference highlighting our capabilities.
My chief of space safety got wind of this technology and said, hey, how can I apply this and use it for mishap investigations and anomaly resolutions for the Air Force Safety Center?
Our machine learning models encode all the information about individual satellites and predict the probability and causes of an unplanned entry into safe or standby mode within a designated time window. For example, if our particular combination of temperature data and attitude change signals a high risk of failure within the next 24 hours, our tool will trigger an alert with reliable attribution. Satellite operators and engineers get an advance warning, allowing them to swiftly uncover the root cause of an anomaly and mitigate system faults, thereby preventing mission failures. Said clearly by Colonel Roth.
On the picture there, you see STP-SAT-4, which is about a half a refrigerator-sized satellite that we launched off the Cyclops launcher on the International Space Station. 95% of its mission was completed. About 8 months into its mission life, it died. Out of the blue, we lost it. We could not contact that vehicle. So we knew of this company. We ran all the telemetry we had through their AI algorithms. It took about 5 days to train the model. And then within minutes, it diagnosed exactly what happened on orbit and got to the root cause really quickly. It also showed that if we were paying attention enough to the telemetry that was coming through, that we would have known 30 days before it failed.
Our strategic roadmap prioritized partnerships and collaborations, paving the way for a more agile and responsive adoption process. We need your help deploying this tool in support of the warfighter. RS21 uses artificial intelligence, design, data engineering, and modern software development methods to deliver solutions that are insightful, intuitive, inspiring, and intellectually honest. Our award-winning team is known for its pioneering work that has secured a Phase 3 SBIR and valuable patent that forms the bedrock of our predictive maintenance solutions, enabling swift deployment. RS21's cutting-edge solutions are proven to address specific needs in predictive analytics and data visualizations for our space and government customers. As a thriving company since 2015, recent venture capital funding and key partnerships with the U.S. Space Force and Air Force underscore confidence in our technology. Space is at a technology readiness level of 7, moving quickly to 8, and poised to make a huge impact across DoD condition-based maintenance plus needs. Help us augment our nation's defense capabilities by bringing this cutting-edge technology to the warfighter. Together, we can accelerate the deployment of space for more resilient satellites and extend its transformative capabilities to vital equipment through CBM+.